I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over user groups. Groups are useful if you want to segment subscribers based on their actions or where they subscribed from. You may want to contact a group that has performed a certain action or interacted with you in a certain way. Groups are also a great way to segment your most active subscribers. So to set up groups, we're going to go into user groups and then create a new user group, and then we can name the user group. Clicked button, for example, and then select the page for the user group. So once the user group has been set up, we can then add them to growth tools and bots for when they subscribe, and we can add them to broadcasting and flows. We can add them to buttons and actions on broadcasts and flows. I'm going to create a couple more groups to show you how you might use them. So now if we come to growth tools, create new tool, submit, and now go to actions. When someone subscribes through this tool, we can add them to one of the groups. So when they subscribe via tool, we can select that. And then we can go to the bot, and then we can go to the flows and edit the flow. Come down to the buttons, click the button. As you can see, segmenting users into groups can be very useful when you want to reach out to them later on. In this video we went over user groups.